In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the 403 forbidden error in WordPress step by step. This is one of the most common WordPress errors, and it can completely block access to your website, your admin area, or specific pages. The good news is that in most cases, it's very easy to fix without touching any complicated code. We'll go through plugin checks, permalink settings, and file permissions, so you can get your site back online fast. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where you manage everything on your site. From the sidebar, click on Plugins. Plugin conflicts are one of the biggest causes of the 403 forbidden error, especially security plugins or poorly coded extensions. Next, click on Installed Plugins. If you have any plugins installed, we're going to deactivate them one by one. Start by deactivating the first plugin, then refresh your website in a new tab to see if the 403 error is gone. If the error disappears, you've found the plugin causing the issue. If not, reactivate that plugin and move on to the next one. Repeat this process until you identify the problem plugin or until all plugins have been checked. Once you've ruled out plugin issues or fixed the conflicting plugin, the next step is to reset your permalinks. From the sidebar, click on Settings, then select Permalinks. When the Permalinks page opens, do not change anything here. Simply scroll all the way down and click the Save Changes button. This step is extremely important because it forces WordPress to regenerate a clean and fresh .htaccess file. In many cases, this alone instantly fixes the 403 forbidden error. After saving, refresh your website and check if the error is resolved. If you're still seeing the 403 error, don't worry, we have one more powerful fix. Now we're going to check file permissions. Log into your web hosting control panel and open the File Manager. Locate your public_HTML folder or your main website folder. Right-click on the folder and choose Change Permissions. The recommended and safe permission settings are very important here. Set all folders to 755 and set all files to 644. These are considered the gold standard permissions for WordPress, and incorrect values can easily trigger a 403 forbidden error. After updating the permissions, save the changes and refresh your website once again. At this point, your WordPress site should be loading normally without the 403 forbidden error. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix the 403 forbidden error in WordPress using simple and safe steps that work for most websites. If this video helped you fix your issue, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.